Walk into any dealership lot right now and you'll see two types of SUVs, the ones flying off the lot with wait lists and markups, and the ones collecting dust with price cuts that still can't move them. The difference isn't marketing, it's what happens at 80,000 miles when one SUV is still running strong and the other is nickeling and dimming you into bankruptcy. Today, we're counting down the 3 worst and 4 best SUVs you can buy in 2026. The data comes from Consumer Reports Reliability Surveys, NHTSA, complaint databases, and hundreds of thousands of real owner experiences. Let's dive in. Before we get to the best SUVs that'll run forever, let's talk about the 3 you should avoid at all costs. These are vehicles with reliability issues so severe that no amount of features or styling can make up for the headaches they'll cause you. Number 3. Ford Explorer. Consumer Reports dropped the Explorer from their recommended list in December 2025 after rating it less reliable than other cars from the same model year. The Explorer has 14 recalls across recent model years. One recall involves the transmission valve body being machined incorrectly, causing reverse gear failure or unexpected forward movement when you're in reverse. The automatic emergency braking slams on the brakes for no reason. One owner's brand new 2025 Explorer ST has been in the shop 7 times in 2 months because collision assist activates randomly. They tried turning it off, but it automatically reactivates every time they start the car. Engine stalling at highway speeds is another issue. You lose power steering while coasting with traffic at 70 miles per hour. RepairPal gives the Explorer 3.5 out of 5 reliability, ranking it 5th out of 17 full-size SUVs. For $40,000 to $60,000, the Honda Pilot and Mazda CX-50 are better choices. Number 2. Volkswagen Tiguan. Consumer Reports gave the 2024 Tiguan a predicted reliability score of 2 out of 5 based on 2020 to 2022 owner data. The primary concerns are engine and transmission problems. Multiple owners report excessive oil consumption. One owner said their 2024 Tiguan consumed 3.7 quarts of oil in under 1,700 miles. VW insisted this is within normal range. There's already a class action lawsuit involving 2022 to 2023 Tigans with the same problem, and it's continuing into 2024 models. One owner's 2022 Tiguan with only 9,000 miles needed engine repair at 17,000 miles. Another owner's 2017 Tiguan with 39,000 miles needs $8,000 worth of work for oil leaks. The throttle response from a stop is dangerously delayed beyond normal turbo lag. It's scary merging into traffic when the gas pedal does nothing for a full second. Previous generation Tigans had below average reliability. When the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4 cost similar money and last 200,000 miles without major issues, the Tiguan makes no sense. 1. Hyundai Kona. The Kona earns the top worst spot because of a pattern of safety issues that should never make it past quality control. Consumer Reports rates the 2024 Kona as less reliable than other cars from the same model year. The vehicle has been recalled 3 times. The 12-volt battery cables can chafe against the engine control module bracket and short-circuit during a crash, increasing the risk of an engine compartment fire. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety reported an actual engine compartment fire after a crash test at 40 miles per hour. Smoke and flames came from the engine compartment 2 minutes after the frontal crash. Hyundai issued a stop sale order affecting nearly 11,000 vehicles built with the 1.6-litre turbo engine. Dealers couldn't sell these vehicles until the wiring was fixed. The EGR valve assembly can short-circuit and cause the vehicle to lose drive power while driving. You're merging onto the highway, and suddenly the engine cuts out. One owner reported that while driving 35 miles per hour, the vehicle lost all power and stalled. The rear seat belts may not function properly, which means they won't adequately restrain occupants in a crash. Another owner reported the entire dashboard, including speedometer and headlights, shut off for 10 seconds while driving at night before coming back on. For the money, the Mazda CX-50, Subaru Crosstrek, and Kia Seltos are more reliable choices. Now let's talk about 4 SUVs that actually deliver on their promises. The ones that'll still be running strong at 200,000 miles, while those other 3 are sitting in junkyards. These 4 are worth every penny because they won't nickel and dime you with repairs. Number 4. Mazda CX-50. The CX-50 is Mazda's answer to the Subaru Outback, and it's proving to be one of the most reliable new SUVs you can buy. Consumer Reports ranks Mazda consistently near the top for reliability. The CX-50 uses naturally aspirated Skyactiv engines that have proven bulletproof over the years. No turbos to fail, no complex cylinder deactivation, just simple 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder engines. The 6-speed automatic transmission is a traditional torque converter automatic, not a CVT or dual clutch prone to failure. Mazda's been using this design for years, and it just works. Real-world owners report minimal issues. The most common complaints are minor infotainment quirks and slightly thin paint. No engine failures, no transmission replacements, no major recalls. The CX-50 costs $28,000 to $40,000 depending on trim. You get standard all-wheel drive, good fuel economy, and a vehicle that should easily last 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Number 3. Subaru Crosstrek. The Crosstrek might not be the fastest or most luxurious, but it's one of the most reliable compact SUVs you can buy. Consumer Reports rank Subaru highly for reliability. The 2.0-litre and 2.5-litre naturally aspirated boxer engines are simple and proven. No turbos, no direct injection carbon buildup, just reliable transportation. The CVT transmission in the Crosstrek is one of the few CVTs that doesn't fail constantly. Subaru's been perfecting their CVT for over a decade. Owners routinely report 150,000 to 200,000 miles with just fluid changes. Standard all-wheel drive is full-time aid that works in all conditions, not just when you're slipping. The Crosstrek holds its value better than almost anything in its class. A 3-year-old Crosstrek sells for 70% of its original price. At $25,000 to $35,000, the Crosstrek offers genuine capability and longevity that luxury SUVs costing twice as much can't match. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The CR-V has been America's best-selling SUV for years because it does everything well and rarely breaks down. Consumer Reports gives the CR-V excellent reliability scores. Honda's 1.5-litre turbo had oil dilution issues in earlier years, but those have been resolved. The newer 2.0-litre hybrid system is rock solid. The CR-V's CVT transmission is one of the most reliable in the business. Honda's been building CVTs longer than almost anyone. Owners report 200,000 plus miles on original transmissions with just fluid changes. Real-world reliability is exceptional. The most common issues are minor infotainment glitches and wind noise. No engine failures, no transmission disasters, minimal recalls. The hybrid model gets 40 miles per gallon combined, which is extraordinary for a vehicle this size. Used CR-Vs hold their value incredibly well. A 3-year-old CR-V sells for 65% to 70% of its original price. At $32,000 to $42,000, the CR-V isn't the cheapest option, but when you factor in reliability, fuel economy, and resale value, it's one of the smartest buys right now. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is the gold standard for compact SUV reliability. It's the best-selling SUV in America for one simple reason: it doesn't break. Consumer Reports ranks Toyota at the top for brand reliability, and the RAV4 is a major reason why. The 2.5-litre 4-cylinder engine is one of Toyota's most proven powertrains. Hundreds of thousands of RAV4s have hit 200,000 to 300,000 miles with minimal issues. The hybrid model uses Toyota's proven hybrid synergy drive, perfected over 20+ years in the Prius. It's reliable, efficient, and gives you 40 miles per gallon without sacrificing performance. The 8-speed automatic transmission in non-hybrid models is bulletproof. No CVT, no dual clutch, just a traditional automatic that shifts smoothly and lasts forever. Real-world reliability data is exceptional. Owners report minimal issues beyond routine maintenance. No engine failures, no transmission replacements. RAV4S hold their value better than almost any vehicle on the market. A 3-year-old RAV4 hybrid sells for 75% to 80% of its original price. Some used RAV4s sell for more than new ones because there are wait lists at dealers. The RAV4 starts at $30,000 and goes up to $45,000 for loaded hybrids. When you consider it will last 15 to 20 years with minimal repairs and still have significant resale value, it's the smartest investment. 3 SUVs to avoid at all costs, and 4 that will still be running strong when everything else is in the junkyard. The Explorer with 14 recalls and phantom braking. The Tiguan burning oil and needing engine repairs at 17,000 miles. The Kona with engine fires and stalling. On the flip side, the CX-50 with Mazda's bulletproof engineering, the Crosstrek with standard and proven reliability, the CR-V with Honda's refined efficiency, and the RAV4, the king of reliability that holds its value like nothing else. Your turn. Which one are you buying? Are you team reliability and going with the RAV4 or CR-V? Or are you willing to take a chance on the Tiguan's German engineering? Drop your choice in the comments. If this saved you from making a $40,000 mistake, smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.